channel, it's Cass. Today I'm doing a quite interesting video, but before we get started, if you have not subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell. And if you are returning, thanks so much for coming back this week. This week's video is makeup related. I am trying to get better at my makeup. I've pretty much gotten my skin down. I really want to be better at eyeshadows, so I'm always like looking on Pinterest for inspiration. So I thought I'd start like a series, and if you guys like it, then I'll turn it into a series, but if not, I'll just do it kind of sporadically. But I did want to basically try to recreate Pinterest looks in order to learn how to do makeup better. I figure even if it doesn't come out great, it'll just be like a start, you know what I mean? So yeah, I want to jump right in. I'm gonna go ahead and do my skin off camera. If you want to see me do my skin and like a updated brow video and all of that, then just let me know down in the comment section below. But I'm gonna kind of skip all that so that we can really focus on the eyes and the video won't be too long. All right guys, so I'm gonna turn my tunes on and I'm going to do my skin really quick and then I'll be back. So this is the look that I'm going to be focusing on today. I'm so excited. So like I said, I found this on Pinterest. Unfortunately, whoever this beauty is, she's not tagged or anything like that. I also don't know if she's the one who uploaded it. I don't think so. Also, when you click on it, the link doesn't work, so I can't get to like her Instagram or anything if she's had it. But basically, it's like an orange, teal, goldy type of look. It's kind of like a cut crease halo type of situation. I'm going to be using my Juifa's Place The Nubian palette too. And then I'm also going to be using my Creative Me palette by Coastal Scents. If you do, I don't know why, I haven't heard about Coastal Scents in such a long time, but I have quite a few palettes from them and I love them, especially because their palettes comes with mirrors and I just love them. So yeah, I am going to get started on this. Obviously, like I said, I don't know what products that this person used, so I'm just trying to get as close to it as possible and live my best life. Practice makes perfect. perfect nudes for black women. Okay, I was minding my business in CVS trying to get some press-on nails, and I found these two by Black Radiance, and it's their perfect tone matte lip cream. I have this one in Naughty Brown, and then this one is in Hollywood Hot, and they are bomb together. Okay, I'm about done, but I feel like the lid isn't bright enough. Like, I thought the Nairobi was like enough, but I think I'm gonna go in with Zuri, which is the lighter gold, and kind of pack her a little bit on the lid. I'm trying not to like get rid of the teal, but it also is very pigmented, so I have to remember like this little gold shimmer isn't gonna do much to it, so I'm gonna just pack that on. That's the gold, more like the gold she had in the picture. I know you guys probably can't tell the difference, but like the gold I was using, Nairobi, was a little bit more like very yellow. Obviously it looked very, very gold compared to like a brighter tone which she has in the picture.